Hi friends, welcome to Yuva Maths Theory Lectures. Problems we have already covered in this app. Kindly download this app to get the simple as well as the tough problems and these theory lectures. They are useful for CBSE, ICSE and various state boards across India and outside India as well. So in this video we will be focusing only on theory. Topic is areas related to circles, means area of a circle and various parts of that. Let's see. Okay, what is the circumference of a circle? Circumference means what? The perimeter, outside part. Okay, so that is given by the formula 2 pi r, means 2 into pi into r. Nothing means multiply. R is the radius and pi is what? Pi is a constant, 22 upon 7. Okay, or 3.142. Area of a circle. Area of circle means everything within the circumference. Everything. Okay, so that is known as pi r square formula. R means again radius, same logic. Now area of semicircle. Semicircle means half. Semi means half. So circle is pi r square. So semi will be upon 2. So pi r square upon 2. Area of circular path or a ring, means path means what? This is full circle and path means this darkened part only. Suppose if this is a garden and this is a walking road and in between there is a garden. If you are asked to find the area of this walking road, then what will be the area? Say this big circle minus small circle. So let R be the capital R be the bigger circle, small r be the smaller circle. Then area of the shaded part is what? Bigger circle area means pi r square capital minus smaller circle area pi r square small equals to pi common and r square minus r square. You can use this formula now, a plus b into a minus b, and you get r plus r into r minus r. Okay, so this is basically for the circular path. Here these are just the formulas we are speaking or talking over here, discussing basically. So in problems we have covered the toughest problems also on this find the area of the circular path. So you can download those videos and find and check those. Okay, major and minor arc. Now arc means what? Arc means the smaller part of the circle, that is always known as the arc. Means when we eat the pizza, this section of the pizza, that is known as the arc. Not basically that full is not known as an arc. This circumferential part is known as arc. Okay, that is important. This full thing is known as a sector. Okay, so this circumferential part, this circumference, smaller circumference is known as arc. So this is known as a minor and this is known as a major. See this major. Now if this angle is theta, then the other bigger angle will be 360 minus theta. Now this bigger angle is called as what? Reflex angle, right? Any angle which is greater than 180 and less than 360 is known as reflex angle. Okay, so this is theta, so reflex angle will be 360 minus theta. Okay, suppose if you are asked to find the length of the minor arc. Minor arc means this smaller AB. How to find this? Here, what is a circumference of the circle? Full length, that is 2 pi r. Okay, either it is 2 pi r or pi d, anything is okay, because 2r is diameter. Diameter means 2 into radius. Okay, so it can be pi d also. Okay, so full circle is 2 pi r. So this part circle will be theta upon 360, right? Theta upon 360 into 2 pi r, right? Why? Here for 360 degrees the length is 2 pi r. For this full 360 degrees the length is 2 pi r. So for theta will be, it is direct proportion. So theta into 2 pi r upon 360. Okay, so just solve this, theta upon 180 into pi r, or you can directly solve it, anything. Okay, now length of the major arc is what then? Major arc means this bigger part. Okay, so what is this angle? 360 minus theta, right? So what will be the length of the arc then? Here for 360 degrees it is 2 pi r. So 360 minus theta, it will be straight direct proportion, 360 minus theta into 2 pi r upon 360, right? So this is the length of the major arc. Remember these two very well. In fact, you need not remember, just understand the logic behind this. Full circle 2 pi r, then theta is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Okay. Now, what is sector of a circle and its area? Sector means what? Here, I just told you that this area between the radii, two radii, one is known as the radius, two are known as the radii. Between the radii and the arc is known as a sector, right? Means this shaded portion. This is minor sector and the remaining one is major sector. As we have minor arc, so remaining one major arc. Similarly, minor sector, major sector, right? So a region of a circle enclosed between two radii and the arc intercepted between the two radii, right? Intercepted means this cut, this A part and A and B, this is known as interception. Okay, so between the two radii is called a sector of the circle. A sector is called minor sector if the minor arc of a circle is part of its boundary. So OAB is a minor sector over here. See this, AB is a minor arc, so OAB is a minor sector. So area of minor sector is what? Same as that of circumference, what we did. Theta upon 360 into pi r square, because here its area. For 360 degrees, it's pi r square. So for theta, it will be theta upon 360 into pi r square, direct proportion. So perimeter of a minor sector, perimeter here. Perimeter of a, we are not calling circumference over here because circumference is only for circle. Perimeter means what? This minor arc plus these two radii, right? So that is what 2 into r means this r plus r, 2r, plus this length of this sector means circumference or length of this sector, that is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. So that is the perimeter of the minor arc. Perimeter means total length outside this minor arc. Now similarly for major arc, same, instead of theta we take 360 minus theta upon 360 into pi r square, and perimeter of major sector same, 2r plus 360 minus theta upon 360 into 2 pi r, right? Same as above. Okay, just change the angle. Next we'll study segment. Segment means what? See here, segment is always a part between the chord and the arc. Remember this. Sector was between the radii and the arc. Segment is between the chord and the arc. The region enclosed by an arc and a chord is called a segment of the circle. The region enclosed by the chord PQ, see this, PQ, and minor arc PRQ, this minor arc, is known as a minor segment, right? Okay. Now what is the area of this minor segment? This white part I have to find out. How will I find out? So area of the corresponding sector means this full OPRQ, area full, minus this area of triangle OPQ, right? Okay. So what is this? Let's find out. Area of this corresponding sector full is what? We have just found out earlier, theta upon 360 into pi r square. That is done. Okay. Now what is the area of this triangle? This triangle is somewhat difficult. How to find this? Here. Now don't go to find this, how this 1 upon 2 r square sin theta came, because for that you will have to know the half angle theorem or double angle theorem. So that is sin 2 theta equals to 2 sin theta cos theta, but I don't think so that's there for your level as such. So just remember this. Here, this it will be just draw perpendicular from here. So this angle will be theta by 2, this angle will be theta by 2. Okay. So then you find out this length is what? R cos theta by 2, right? And this length is what? Half 1, R sin theta by 2. Similarly this length also R sin theta by 2, right? When you divide this, okay? So then just find out R sin theta by 2, R sin theta by 2, add them, you get 2 into R sin theta by 2. So what is the area of triangle? Half base height, 2R sin theta by 2 into R cos theta by 2. So R into R gets multiplied, R square it becomes, and sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So that adjusting you get sin theta, because sin theta equals to 2 sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. So that's why I said you don't go into that, because that's a double angle formula. that's not at your level. Just remember this, theta by 360 into pi r square of the sector minus 1 upon 2 into r square sin theta of this triangle. Okay, so keep this only, don't look at this second part, it's of no use. Okay, next. Okay, now what is the area of this major segment now? Minor we have found out, this theta by 360 into pi r square minus 1 upon 2 r square sin theta. What is the area of this major segment now? This darkened portion, major one. Okay, so how to find this? This is the area of circle minus area of this minor sector. Okay, or segment you can call it, that's also okay. Best way is sector only. So here, area of this full circle O and minus area of this sector OPRQ, this sector full including this. So what is that? Theta upon 360 into pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. So area of circle minus area of this sector plus, now you have subtracted everything, both this triangle as well as the this segment, but we want the area of the major segment, so in that this triangle is also included. Okay, so you'll have to add back the area of the triangle. So what is that area of triangle? 1 upon 2 into r square sin theta, just now we have found out. Okay, so in this formula this area of major sector has no meaning. Okay, just remember this, area of circle minus area of minor segment plus area of triangle. Okay, these three terms only. So then next is take r square common and everything, that's okay. You only remember this, don't remember the next part. Circle minus minor segment plus triangle. Okay, this you'll get more feel when you solve the problems or when you see the problems solved in this app. So that's why I'm again saying download this app to see these tough problems which have been solved. Okay, few areas and perimeter formulae. Circle pi r square, or r is what? D upon 2, so d square upon 4 it will become, right? Perimeter is mid circumference, 2 pi r or pi d. Semicircle, half of everything above, pi r square by 2, and this pi r plus 2r, right? Okay, pi r, 2 pi r, or it is pi d upon 2, not plus, it should be or, it should be or. Okay, this should not be plus. So pi r or 2r. Okay, it can't even be 2r, because how can pi go? No, so it should be 2 pi r upon 2, so that is pi r, and this is pi d upon 2, that's it, pi d upon 2 or pi r. This 2r has no meaning, I think so. Yeah, now see here, yeah, this has a meaning where if we are finding the perimeter means what? This full length pi r plus this r plus r, 2r, then we can say this is a perimeter. Okay, so circumference of this semicircle is always what? This circle, semicircle plus this radius. Circumference means outside part, so it's always pi r plus 2r. So 2r is okay in that case. Okay, so this 2 pi r or pi d, or is gone in this semicircle. Forget this pi d, remember only 2 pi r. So 2 pi r half is pi r plus 2 times radius 2r, right? Quadrant means 1/4, so again half of this. Okay, pi r square upon 2, it was semi, so quadrant is pi r square upon 4. This is pi r plus 2r upon 2, so pi r upon 2 plus 2r means what? What is this 2r again? See here, in this case, this, don't take this 2r now, this is quite jumbling part. What we do is, see here, we want a perimeter, means outside part. So outside part is this only, pi r upon 2, right? This pi r, so pi r upon 2, and this remaining 2r remains the same. That's why just take 2r, don't take half of the, this 2r over here. Okay, so pi r upon 2 plus 2r. Okay, ring area is what? Pi into r plus r into r minus r, or pi into capital R square minus small r square. Both the things are okay. And perimeter is what? Outside it is 2 pi r, inside it is 2 pi r smaller, right? So if you are asked to find the total perimeter, then you need to add both these. Okay, now sector. So sector means what? Area is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Okay, then this second formula 1 upon 2 into LR is of hardly any use to you. It's never used at your level. Okay, but then also remember 1 by 2 into length of the arc into radius. These are the two formula. Then this is perimeter, theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. This is of this part plus 2r, these two inside radius. Okay, segment means divided by the chord and the arc. So area we just now found out, theta upon 360 into pi r square minus 1 upon 2 into r square sin theta. So for perimeter it will be what? See this perimeter, theta upon 180 into pi r plus 2r into sin theta by 2. This is hardly asked, but remember, you have to remember this by heart, this, because solving this will take a lot of time in exam. Okay, so theta upon 180 into pi r plus 2r into sin theta by 2. Okay, for this segment. Okay, that was a theory for areas related to circles. You can download this Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these video lectures, question banks with explanations, tests directly on your mobile. These video lectures contain theory as well as problems, simple as well as difficult. Both of these, theory and problems, are useful for CBSE, ICSE and state boards across India and outside India as well. You can follow us on Facebook on this link, WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.